I've been creating content for freelancers for years, and still, the number one question that tends to come up is, how do I get clients? So as a challenge to myself and hopefully a service to you, I thought I'd list 50 different ways to start getting the ball rolling when it comes to getting freelance clients. And that's the thing, you need to just get the ball rolling. Because once you do, you'll start making connections that then make a connection with an opportunity that is perfect for you. So some of these ideas might be a little bit more of a slow burn, and some may or may not speak to you, but just keep an open mind and start checking things off your list if you're looking for a new freelance client. Offer to have coffee chats with your LinkedIn network. Leave your business card or flyer at your local coffee shop. Host a webinar about your area of expertise and follow up with attendees. Ask for referrals on Facebook. We all have that one friend with randomly good connections. Go to a local business networking event like Creative Mornings. Go to a business networking event like Tuesdays Together. Go to a local business networking event at your Chamber of Commerce. Put your coffee chat link into your email footer. Start an Upwork profile. Create a free ebook and add a CTA at the end to book a free call with you. Ask for referrals on LinkedIn. Search companies near you on Google Maps and cold email them. Start a Facebook group for companies in your target audience. Ask businesses you frequent if they have any leads for you. Search job posts on LinkedIn, pitch them a contract instead. Search job posts on Indeed and pitch them a contract instead. Create a newsletter with fire industry tips for your ideal clients. Start a blog with SEO-friendly industry tips for your ideal clients. Start a podcast and interview key players in your industry and include a CTA to work with you in the ads. Interview key players in your industry on LinkedIn. Interview them on YouTube. Search Crunchbase for businesses on the rise and cold email them. Search AngelList for startups with funding and connect with the founders on LinkedIn. Create a free video course and add a CTA at the end. Create a Twitter list of ideal clients and engage with them regularly. Send a video introduction to your ideal clients using a tool like Vidyard. Ask to write a guest blog for leaders in your industry. Pitch a collaboration with someone in an aligning but not competing industry. Try out all of the co-working spaces in your area. Most of them offer a free day, and then give your card to everyone you meet there. Pitch yourself for speaking ops. Send an email intro to every agency in your area and ask if they need overflow help. Add case studies to your website, send them out in your pitches. Reply to questions on Quora in a helpful, non-spammy way. Reply to questions on Twitter in the same way. Reply to Facebook group questions in a helpful, non-spammy way. Send a check-in email to past clients and offer them a referral incentive. Use Twitter search to find people asking for referrals. Use search in Facebook groups to find people asking for referrals. Monitor key hashtags in your industry and add to conversations on LinkedIn. Reach out to popular, likely overbooked freelancers in your industry and offer assistance. Create a Friday introduction on Instagram and tell people what you do. Drive through nearby commercial areas and stop in and say hi. Place a seeking work ad on Craigslist. Merch. Wear your t-shirt with your business name on it or put a sticker on your laptop like I do. Share social proof on social media like testimonials, graphs, screenshots, etc. Go through your stash of business cards from previous events and circle back with them. Ask existing clients to include your link on their website. Connect with recruiters of agencies and staffing companies on LinkedIn. Run targeted ads to your lead magnet or webinar on LinkedIn. And lastly, join a mastermind or community. I am out of breath. I did that with only a couple of breaks, but seriously, those are 50 ways that I still use a lot of those different methods to generate new leads for my business, and I think that a lot of them will help you out. Now, a little note on number 50 real quick. Having connections with other business owners is invaluable. Referrals are always going to be the highest converting lead type because you've already been vouched for essentially by somebody who that ideal client or prospect likely trusts already. So building up your network and really just talking to as many people as you can and telling them what you do is honestly the best way to build your business and get leads. It can be as simple as a free Facebook group, or it can be a little bit more structured. And I've personally found a lot of value out of the more structured groups. I've been a part of several different masterminds and incubators and accelerators, and I've always been able to build such powerful connections. And I actually have a group membership that is an excellent solution to this. It's called the Freelance Friday Club. You may have heard me talk about it before, but I want to reintroduce it to you real quick here. So the Freelance Friday Club is a membership community. You can think of it similar to a Facebook group. There's a forum in there where we all kind of chat back and forth throughout the week, but then every single month, we have a couple of meetings as well. We have a mastermind meeting where we all kind of go around the circle and talk about what we've been working on in our business, what we need help with, anything that we've learned that we want to share with folks. It's a really good opportunity just to kind of get to know everyone. Tell people what you need. Hey, I'm looking for web design clients. I'm looking for social media clients. I just launched this course. And again, you never know who's in there, who may hear that and may know of their client who needs that type of work, etc. We also have a monthly Q&A session with me. It's private, so you get to type in your questions or you can join me on the live webinar and I will answer those in depth for an hour-long call. And then we also have one masterclass per month, either taught by myself or a guest instructor. And we go over a plethora of different topics, from email marketing to launch strategy to social media marketing to really everything under the sun. And I have a ton of fun things planned for 2021. We just revamped the program, got on a new tool to use it, and it's just been phenomenal, and I hope that you will join us. It's a really great way to start getting clients, start getting that support that you need, and I'll have the link down below. But overall, I hope that you enjoyed these 50 ways to get clients. Let me know in the comments if you decide to try any of them, or if there are any in particular that have been really useful for you, or if you have anything to add. I'm sure people would love to read those in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on Wednesday for a new video and then a new podcast on Friday. Bye.